To continuing our lecture on physical wall units and measurements, next topic, power. What is the definition of power? The rate of doing work is called power. Already we seen several definition. If any definition, it should contains rate, means it is changes with respect to time. Work is changes with respect to time is called power. So power is equal to, whenever rate is in the formula, then in formula should contains power is equal to work by time. Power is equal to formula work by time. So power is equal to work done by time. Here work is measured in joule by time is measured in seconds. That means joule by second. Joule by second is the unit of power. Joule by second is the unit of power. This is also called as watt. This is also called as watt. So what is the unit of power? MKS unit of power is watt. CGS unit of, so here MK system of unit is power. And one more thing here. So power is measured in horsepowers also. 1 horsepower. Power is measured in horsepowers also. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts here. So power is also measured in horsepowers. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts here. And one more thing here. Power is a scalar quantity or vector quantity. So you observe here, work is a scalar quantity, time is a scalar quantity, definitely power will become scalar quantity. In formula, 2 parameters are here scalar quantities, then definitely the total term will become scalar quantity. So power is equal to work by time here. Work is scalar quantity, time is scalar quantity. Definitely here the total term will become scalar quantity. So here power is a scalar quantity. Power is a scalar quantity. Power is a scalar quantity. And one more thing here, how to write a dimensional formula. Our main aim is here what na? To write dimensional formula. So how to write dimensional formula here? Dimensional formula. Already we know this. So up to now we write 8 dimensional formulas. If you know the unit, it is easy to write dimensional formula. So here unit is what? Joule by second. So already work dimensional formula you know. What is work dimensional formula here? M L square T power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for work by. Dimensional formula for time is T. Then how to write this one? M power 1 L square T power A power M by. You know this from mathematics formula. A power M by A power N, that is equal to A power M minus N. That means T power minus 2 by T power 1. That means this can be written as T power minus 2 minus 1. Then we got here M power 1 L square T power minus 3. So M power 1 L square T power minus 3 is the dimensional formula for power. Dimensional formula for power. Next topic. Next topic is surface tension. Next topic, surface tension. Ninth one, surface tension. What is meant by surface tension? Surface tension is defined as force acting for unit length. Force acting per unit length. Force acting per unit length is called surface tension. So mainly the best example for surface tension is, so rain will be falls. The raindrops will be always spherical in shape. Why raindrops are in spherical in shape? Due to surface tension. Raindrops are spherical in shapes due to surface tension. What is meant by surface tension here? Force acting per unit length. Then formula for surface tension. Formula for surface tension. Surface tension is equal to force acting per unit length. That means force by length. This is the formula for surface tension. MKS unit. MKS unit. Force is measured in MKS system Newton. Force is measured in MKS system Newton. Newton by length is measured in MKS system meters. Newton by meter is the unit for surface tension. Newton by meter. CGS system. CGS system of unit for surface tension. Dyne per centimeter. Force is measured in dyne in CGS system. Length is measured in centimeter. Dyne by centimeter is the unit for CGS system of unit for surface tension. This is the unit for surface tension. Whenever you know the unit, then it is easy to write. Then it is easy to write dimensional formula. So dimensional formula is what here? Dimensional formula. Force dimensional formula already you know. What is force dimensional formula? M power 1, L power 1, T power minus 2 by length is measured in meters. Length is measured in meters. That means L power 1. That means M power 1, L going to be cancelled here. T power minus 2. That means here M power 1, L power 0, T power minus 2. M power 1, L power 0, T power minus 2. This is a dimensional formula for surface tension. This is most important thing. M, L, T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for force by length. L going to be cancelled. M power 1, L power 0, T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for surface tension. Then next topic.